Mr. Scubaman decides to take a dive. As soon as Mr. Scubaman hits the water, he spots a big, magnificent group of special fish.
Let's sneak up on them and catch them.
I sense somebody's presence. Oh no, away!
Come back here, you fishies!
Fly, you fools.
It was an epic chase. The scuba diver swam at a velocity of 0.12x squared plus 4x plus 2, because he figured that out somehow, for half an hour and finally catches up with the fish.
Haha! Finally, I caught my prize. I will add this to my collection.
No, let me go.
I wonder how far back it is to the boat.
And with his super brain, he starts to think. Bloop, 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 bloop.
So we begin with the velocity equation of v equals 0.12x squared plus 0.4x plus 2. So we know that he swims for 30 minutes, so a is going to equal 0, and b is going to equal 30. So in order to find the distance and velocity, we have to take the integral of the velocity from 0 to 30. So integral 0 to 30 of 0.12x squared plus 0.4x plus 2 of the x. And then we also have the integral of 30 to 0, or 0 to 30, absolute value. For distance. So, first we have to figure out where his velocity is 0. So we're going to set the equation equal to 0. So you'll find that velocity is never less than 0 because you have an imaginary number. So that means that distance is the same as displacement in this case. So now it's time to take the integral again, or actually take it. So now that we found out that the integral is 1,320, that means that his distance and displacement for swimming for 30 minutes is 1,320 feet. Wow, I swam 1,320 feet.
This is my last chance to get away. Maybe if I play dead, he'll let go of me.
Oh no! It died! Wait! Come back here!
For 10 minutes, Mr. Scubaman swims after the fish.
Huzzah! I regained the escaped fish.
Why me?
Being the math fanatic he is, he wonders.
What is my distance and displacement now?
Bloop, 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 bloop.
So now I have been swimming for 10 minutes back to the boat at the same velocity equation, beginning at the velocity when t equals 30 minutes and ending at the velocity when t equals 20 minutes. So we have the same velocity equation. And now we have a equals 20 and b equals 30. So we say so the displacement from 20 to 30 is 880. So now we know that after 30 minutes, I traveled 1,320 feet, and I traveled back 10 minutes for 880 feet. So we know that total displacement is how far away I was from the original boat, and the total distance is how far I traveled altogether. So that means the total distance is 1,320 plus 880 feet, and we know that the total displacement is 1,320 minus 880 feet. So the total distance is 2,200 feet, and the total displacement is 440 feet. I'm back at the boat, finally.
My life is at an end. Goodbye, cruel world.